Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Today video I'm going to be sharing my peanut burger recipe. It's business friendly. This is a recipe I use and my customer keeps coming back. If you are into peanut business and you don't sell, just try this recipe and come back to my channel and thank me later. Alright, let's get started. Still my own recipe and my customer love it very well. So this peanuts, this is 1 penta minus 4 cups. So in here I have like 14 cups of peanuts. So what we're going to do is, I've already selected the dirty one, the one that is not good, and the broken one. I've selected it. So next thing, so the next thing to do is to add enough salt to it. Pour in our hot water. So we'll stir it. So we're going to leave it into this water for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll drain out the water and sun dry it. So this is it after like 7 minutes. So the next thing to do is to sun dry it for like 1 hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, depending on the kind of sun you have. So the groundnut is all dry, so dry. It is time to coat. So first of all, I'll start with my dry ingredients. So this is 2 kg of flour, 16 cups. So I'll be using this milk flavor, 2/3 cup of milk flavor. Because it's business commercial purpose, I'm not going to be using normal milk. Well, feel free to use. It's just that doing all that will make you not to gain much, but using milk flavor, it will still give you a very nice result that your customer will like. So I'm using 1 sachet of vanilla flavor. So this is my baking powder. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So I'll be using 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. It's actually optional, but it's just for flavor sake. So we'll mix it together. Mix it very well. It is well combined. We'll set it aside. So we're going to mix our egg mixture and sugar. So I'm going to use 4 eggs. So the next thing is to measure our sugar. I'm going to be using 2.5 cups of sugar. This is 1/2 cup. It's actually 2.5. I did not measure it well now. It's 2.5 cups of sugar. I'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt. I'll add 1/2 cup of water. Now mix everything together. So it's ready. So what I'll do now is to divide the groundnut into 3. into 3. We'll start with 1 portion. So in an empty bowl like this big, I'll sprinkle some flour. Then our egg mixture, I'll add some portion. This way, just like this, pour it into the bowl. Sprinkle another flour. So this is ready now. It's always turn so that the sugar will not go and settle down. Once it's well combined like this, you add your flour. Add our sugar. Once it's well mixed, you add your flour. This is where the work lies. So if you're into the business full time and you have money, I would advise you can get coating machine. It will be easy for you. Like I say, always turn it before you sprinkle so that the sugar, because the sugar is already on there. Once you add your sugar, the next thing is to add your flour. If you have been making peanuts and you're not selling, maybe they say your peanut does not taste nice or so, just try this recipe. This is my recipe and I sell very well. Then you add your flour. When you're coating, you keep monitoring it to know if it's coming together, just like this one. So you separate it. If you don't separate it, that's how it's going to come out, even after frying. If you have been making peanuts and you're not selling it and you're not doing anything, you're wasting your time. Just try it. Once you are done making it, package them. Go to shops and supply them. You don't even need to carry it and be walking around. You just go to shops, supermarkets, give them. tell them to test it. Trust me, after testing your peanuts, they will start buying from you. Your job is to just go and supply and go home and rest. Keep repeating the process until the peanut is well coated. Even if you don't want to do it for commercial purpose, you can actually do it for your children, your family. I still use the recipe. This one is almost ready. Please, if you're adding your egg mixture, don't add much. You're adding it little by little so that it will not stick together. So this one is ready. See, it's not gumming. And when you're coating your own, please keep round turning it this way to give it a nice circle shape. Look at how beautiful it's looking. This one is well coated. It's so beautiful. It's well coated. So we are going to turn. I use it to remove the excess. If there is any flaw in it, so it will come out. I'll pour it here. So we are going to repeat the process until we finish coating everything. So this is the peanut. It is well coated. It's time to fry. How beautiful it's looking. It's time to fry. The oil is already hot, but we are going to use one to test it and see if it's hot enough. Yeah, it's ready. So I'm going to pour in. Oops, please, you're easy. Please, we are frying in medium heat so that the peanuts will be able to cook well inside. Instead of after frying, you'll find out that the outside is already golden, but the inside is raw. You might be wondering why my oil is foaming. You don't need to worry about that. It's because of the flour that was on the body of the peanuts. So it's already looking golden brown, and this is the color I want it to be. So fine. So this batch is ready. We are going to repeat the process until we finish frying everything. So guys, a commercial peanut burger is ready. I need to allow it to cool down very well before I will package it for selling. Please, if you have watched up to this point, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share and comment. Tell me if you're going to try this recipe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.